The world of foldable phones is evolving faster than ever, and now the spotlight is firmly on Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z TriFold. This device has been discussed for years, shown in patents, teased in leaks, and imagined in fan renders. But now, the information is clearer, and the excitement is rising. Not only is the Galaxy Z TriFold shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious foldable yet, but new leaks reveal something surprising: the price may be cheaper than expected. Still premium, still expensive, but not quite the outrageous number many feared. Early predictions placed the Galaxy Z TriFold near the $3,000 mark, making it one of the priciest consumer phones ever. But new reliable reports claim a lower figure, $499. Yes, it's still a premium price, but for a device with a tri-fold design, that number is unexpectedly lower. A 500 cut from early rumors makes this device suddenly more realistic for tech lovers who have been waiting for something truly different. To understand the importance of this price, it helps to compare it with other tri-fold or foldable competitors. Huawei's Mate X T TriFoldable launched at around $2,800, making Samsung's rumored price a competitive step. Even Apple's upcoming foldable, unofficially referred to as the iPhone Fold, is expected to start at $1,399, which is just $100 cheaper than Samsung's TriFold offering. But while Apple's foldable is rumored to fold only once, Samsung's TriFold folds twice, creating a much larger display experience. So the small $100 difference seems fair when the functionality is so much greater. And yes, functionality is a big part of the story. When folded, the Galaxy Z TriFold looks similar to Samsung's Z Fold 7, pocketable, rectangular, and clean. But when fully unfolded, this device transforms into something that resembles a mini TV. With a massive 10-inch internal display, it crosses the usual boundary between phone and tablet. Many people may even wonder whether to call it a smartphone or a small portable tablet. The internal display is said to reach 1600 nits peak brightness, which means even bright sunlight shouldn't be an issue. The outer display is equally impressive, measuring 6.5 inches with a brightness rating as high as 2600 nits, making it one of the brightest screens Samsung has ever included in a foldable. Cameras are also part of the premium experience. Leaks claim that the Galaxy Z TriFold will come with a 200-megapixel main camera sensor, matching Samsung's top-tier flagship cameras. That's the same resolution seen in Samsung's Ultra models, giving this foldable serious photography power. Battery capacity is another highlight. The device is expected to include a 437 mAh battery, which is a solid number for a tri-fold design. Foldable phones often struggle to include large batteries due to hinge mechanisms and internal space limitations. But Samsung seems to have found a way to incorporate a high-capacity battery without compromising the folding structure. Powering the phone is a Snapdragon chipset. Although the exact model has not been identified, it is safe to assume it will be a high-end chip from Qualcomm's newest generation. Snapdragon processors have always been at the heart of Samsung's top foldables, especially in international markets, so performance should be fast, smooth, and efficient. One detail that stands out is the thickness of the three folding panels. According to reports, they measure 3.9 mm form and 4.2 mm. These are small differences, but they do create a slightly uneven thickness when the device is folded. While not perfectly symmetrical, Samsung likely designed this intentionally for structural balance or heat distribution. Slight variations like these are common in early generation devices where engineering is more complex than in standard phones. However, the biggest challenge with the Galaxy Z TriFold is not the price, specs, or the unusual hinge engineering. It is availability. Samsung appears to be cautious about releasing this device globally. Current reports claim that the Galaxy Z TriFold will launch only in select markets. These include China, Singapore, the UAE, and South Korea. Many major markets, including Europe and the United States, are not on the list. The release date is reportedly December 5, but only for the selected regions. This limited launch may be due to production limits, pricing concerns, or Samsung's desire to first test how the market responds before expanding globally. Tri-fold technology is still new, and manufacturing it at scale is far more difficult than making traditional foldables. For users outside these launch regions, there is still hope. Importing the device should be possible. Many tech fans have purchased foreign Samsung models in the past through import retailers, but imported units usually come with some compromises. Warranty support may be limited, software updates might arrive at different times, and regional features could vary. Still, for people who love new technology and want to be among the first to experience a tri-fold device, importing might be worth considering. The Galaxy Z TriFold signals the start of a new chapter in mobile innovation. Foldables began with simple screen folds, then moved to larger book-style folds, and now the next stage, the tri-fold era, is beginning. The idea of having a full 10-inch display in a pocket-sized device was unthinkable just a few years ago, but Samsung is bringing that vision to reality. The price may not be cheap, the availability may be limited, and the design may not be perfectly symmetrical. But one thing is certain, the Galaxy Z TriFold represents one of the biggest smartphone leaps of the decade. As more details emerge and the launch approaches, the excitement only continues to grow. Samsung's bold step into TriFold technology is paving the way for the future of mobile devices, where phones and tablets blend into a single flexible form.